tonight I will be doing a story time. Yes, so get on a seat and a sit down. Yes, because I'm going to tell you my story. So, I have a little chicken and some juice. Meanwhile, I talk my story, I'm going to eat. So, the story about one day when I stop. I all in Westmoreland. I come to Westmoreland already. Yes, I saw. So, one day, I go to Sava. Say me look for some things, some curtain sheet and curtain rod and there's something there. So, because I was set up my bathroom stuff and there's something there. So, me know I walk from NCB downtown Sav. I walk from uptown I come down. So, when I NCB then I walk I go down. Somebody, I hear somebody call me. Or not, I never hear. So, I walk go downtown. And I stop in a store and there's something there. I pass Bashko now. One next store at the bottom side Bashko. I don't remember what store name. But I go in a store. As me go in the store, I see this man come in a store. Tall, chopped in man. One tall, chopped in brown man. I don't know him, man. I've never seen him in my life. I've never seen him. I first see him. The man come in a store and say, I see your heart to get a whole lot, man. You know how far me follow you come from? So I say, what do you mean by how far you follow me come from? From way up at NCB. I call you. I'm gonna get you. You know answer me. Me drive down and me see you going to one store and by me stop the bus to come out. Me see you come out and gone. I see you move fast, man. So me drive down and see you come to the store, so me come in here behind you. So me say like seriously? The man say yes. Me at the store now I walk up and look things to buy man half of me buy me things. So me say no, me know nothing from you. And me did a try, you know, avoid him, being good and something. So me I walk around and I look things with my friend. So me go to my friend now and tell my friend what I want. Tell her say XYZ where man and so I say really, I'm thinking I am coming here to a man I go, I think I am coming here. I say no. The man say me want me down from over NCB. I don't know this man. First me see him in my life. So I didn't know me and my friend. So my friend say for me I'm coming here. So I say no girl, and me I'm coming here. I don't know this man from Adams. So me in there now. And the day I buy and sitting. But me look around, I see him in the store. So I say, it's like he gone. So I say I go now. I go to the door. Now the man that me see park up, see him in a boxy bus. In the front. Park up. I come wait for me to come out. When if I grab one, grab me. And jam me in the bus or something. Bus. Well, wind up and there's something there. Well, wind up. And a black. Well tinted up and something. So I say no, something back in the store. So I step back in the store now. I tell my friend. So girl, I think your man gone hold on Cody. The man out there so park up. Like my wait for me to come out. So I say, I'm go out there now. I wait till he gone. So I ask her if she have no seat or nothing, I can song for the girl get one seat come give me. And put me one corner of my song in the corner the day out. So I wait, I kill time. Kill time. Man out there kill time too. So me in there wait same way. So when I time I send the girl, one girl go look if the man gone. Man gone. I say girl, the man not gone yet, let's wait for you. Half him wait for him. So I say no, so what kind of trouble this at today? What is this? What kind of cross is this for me? So I say no, I'm not go there. I don't know what him up to. I'm not going out there. So I call my driver. And tell me say anyway come to serve. I say alright. I tell him what I go on. So I say alright, no move stay right to stuff. No stay right where there and I come pick you up. And I'm gonna wait till he come. And then I tell him call back and ask me shot well exactly because he never really know exactly. I don't even know his store name for them say I'm there at the store name. And he come. I don't want to come in the store and come straight to the store for me. Because I never dare go out there. Because I'm afraid. Because I don't know a man and somebody at the door wait for you. So in front of the store wait for you in a bus. Obviously I wait for me because I drive down. So you're done though. You don't go out there? So I'm not go there. So when you come to me now, I go and tell him what I go on. He say how lie. So I said them and they again still. But the next time if I go and serve. And I just up in a hot sun. Glasses all kind of thing you can't know see me. Then I say one of my friend. And I call to her and the girl that the girl look for me so. I text the girl and ask him say what I'm doing. And the girl said did you? To how I just up because he was so creepy. He really creeped me. I feel scared for the whole week. Everybody may text and tell them be careful because I'm not have a drive up and down with the bus. Because at the time I didn't take some people and sit so. But they're really scared. It really creeped me. Really creeped me so. This is the end of my creepy story. So if you want to see me do more story, comment down below. Or if you wanna think what man did I do, you can text comments in the comment section down below. So please like, share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So if you reach so far in a story, if you reach to this point, please subscribe if you're new to